Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut for PC and seamlessly place your subject into a brand new background. Green screens are a powerful tool that lets you swap out backgrounds and create professional looking videos, whether for YouTube, presentations, or creative projects. But the best part? It's super easy to do. For this tutorial, I have a video of a weather presenter in front of a green screen, and we'll be placing them into a realistic weather studio, which I actually created using ChatGPT's image generation tool. If you've ever wanted to create broadcast quality videos without expensive software, this is the tutorial for you. So let's jump in and get started. Step 1. Import the background and green screen video. First, let's bring our footage into CapCut. I'll open CapCut and import the background image, the weather studio. I'll just drag and drop it into the media area. Now, I'll also import the weather presenter video with the green screen and drop it into the media area as well. Step 2. Arrange the clips on the timeline. Now that both files are imported, I'll place the weather studio background onto the timeline first. This should be on the bottom layer since it will act as our backdrop. Next, I'll take the green screen video and place it above the background on the timeline. This way, when we remove the green screen, the background will be visible behind our presenter. Step 3. Removing the green screen. Now for the fun part, removing the green screen. I'll click on the green screen video in the timeline to select it. Then I'll go over to the right-hand panel and make sure I'm in the Video tab. From there, I'll select Remove BG. And under that, there's an option called Chroma Key. I'll click on that, and now I can use the color picker tool to select the green background. To do this, I'll click on the eyedropper tool and hover over the green area in the preview window. Once I click, CapCut will automatically detect the color and begin removing it. To get the cleanest result, we need to adjust the intensity and shadow settings. For best results, I'll increase the intensity to somewhere between 30% and 60%. This helps remove any leftover green edges. If needed, I can also tweak the shadow setting to soften the edges and make the transition look more natural. Now when I play the video, the green screen is completely gone, and our weather presenter is standing in a professional-looking studio. At this point, I can resize and reposition the presenter to make sure everything looks right. If needed, I can also add extra effects or transitions to enhance the final video. And that's it. We've successfully removed the green screen and placed our presenter into a virtual studio. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.